Welcome back to Remedy Science. Imagine looking into the mirror one morning and noticing a few small, darker spots on your skin, maybe on your hands, cheeks, or forehead. At first, you brush it off. It's just a little sunspot, you think. But over time, these spots seem to multiply and deepen, like tiny souvenirs of every summer spent under the sun, every outdoor walk, and every beach day you enjoyed without sunscreen. The real cause of age spots. The most common cause of age spots is ultraviolet (UV) radiation from sunlight or tanning beds. When your skin is exposed to UV rays, it triggers melanocytes, cells responsible for melanin production, to release more pigment. This is the body's way of shielding deeper layers of the skin from damage. However, repeated sun exposure over the years can lead to melanin clumping in certain areas, resulting in pigment buildup. These clusters of melanin eventually form the visible dark spots, which often appear on areas most exposed to the sun, such as the face, hands, shoulders, and arms. As we age, our skin's ability to regenerate and repair itself slows down. In younger skin, damaged cells are shed more quickly through regular cell turnover. However, as this process declines, melanin-rich cells linger longer on the surface, allowing spots to become more noticeable. This is why age spots become more common in people over 40. Genetics also play a role. Some people may have a genetic predisposition to developing age spots, especially if their family members experienced hyperpigmentation with age. In addition, hormonal changes, particularly during pregnancy or menopause, can cause fluctuations in melanin production, making certain individuals more prone to these spots. Certain lifestyle choices, such as smoking, poor diet, or lack of sunscreen use, can speed up the appearance of age spots. Nicotine and toxins from cigarettes contribute to oxidative stress, while an unbalanced diet lacking in antioxidants reduces the skin's ability to fight free radicals. Inconsistent use of sunscreen leaves the skin vulnerable to continuous UV damage, which worsens hyperpigmentation. Now here's the good news: just as our skin adapts and responds to environmental changes, it also has the power to heal and rejuvenate. And nature provides us with tools to support that process, particularly plant-based oils. These oils, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids, can gently nourish, repair, and renew the skin, helping to fade age spots over time. Let's dive into the science behind these oils and discover how they can become part of a meaningful, nurturing skincare routine, because caring for your skin means caring for yourself. The secret to erasing age spots lies in a powerful, natural blend of oils that you can easily create at home. These oils, cherished for centuries in traditional skincare, are now being celebrated by modern science for their transformative effects. But before we dive deeper into the incredible benefits of these miraculous oils, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on life-enhancing tips like these. Rosehip oil. If you love lightweight oils that absorb quickly, rosehip oil fits perfectly into your nightly skincare routine. Gently massaging a few drops of rosehip oil into your skin. It feels like a small act of kindness, giving your skin a chance to heal while you sleep. The next morning, you wake up knowing your skin is quietly renewing itself. Here's something soothing about this moment, almost ritualistic. The oil isn't just nourishing your skin, it's an act of kindness, a way to give back to yourself after a long day. You know that rosehip oil, rich in vitamin A derivatives, retinoids, and vitamin C, is working deeper than the surface, encouraging your skin's natural healing process. It's increasing cell turnover and boosting collagen production, quietly repairing damage and slowly fading those age spots. Argan oil. Its lightweight texture instantly gives your skin a dewy glow. You feel refreshed, knowing that this oil is working beneath the surface to even out your complexion over time. Use it in the morning, it locks in moisture, perfect if you deal with dry or combination skin. Beyond the immediate glow, you know that argan oils, tocopherols, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids are doing much more. They're boosting elasticity and working to repair skin damaged by sun exposure, helping to even out your complexion over time. Each drop feels like an investment in your skin's health, a little reminder that just as the sun leaves its mark, nature provides the tools to restore balance. Vitamin E oil. It's like a secret weapon. Just pierce a vitamin E capsule, dab the oil directly on the spots, and let it absorb as you relax for the night. You gently squeeze the oil onto your fingertips, focusing on one of those persistent age spots that seems to have settled in over the years. As you massage the oil into your skin, you imagine how vitamin E's powerful antioxidants are working to reduce oxidative stress, softening the pigment with every application. This little ritual, though simple, feels meaningful. It's a reminder that transformation takes time, that even the smallest acts of care, repeated regularly, can make a difference. You close the capsule with a sense of calm, knowing that healing happens slowly, layer by layer, beneath the surface. Jojoba oil. A simple yet powerful addition to your skincare routine. With just a few drops, you gently massage it into your skin. Instantly, the oil sinks in, leaving no greasy residue, just soft, smooth skin that feels perfectly balanced. What makes jojoba oil special is that it mimics your skin's natural sebum, hydrating without clogging pores. It's not just a moisturizer, it's helping your skin heal and restore itself, layer by layer. Every time you use it, you're nourishing your complexion with something as natural as your own oils. Perfect for those who hate greasy residue. It's a multitasker, use it as a moisturizer or mix it into your regular lotion. Coconut oil. If you love keeping things simple, coconut oil might just be your perfect skincare companion. Before heading to bed, scoop out a small amount and gently massage it into your skin. As it melts into your skin, it feels more than just nourishing, it's like a soothing night ritual that helps you unwind. Beyond the relaxation, coconut oil's lauric acid offers real benefits. It has antibacterial properties and helps repair sun-damaged skin while supporting your skin's natural barrier. Lauric acid also supports healthy cell regeneration, helping the skin heal itself and replace damaged cells with new ones. Coconut oil strengthens the skin's lipid barrier, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated and healthy. So as you sleep, this multitasking oil works quietly, giving your skin the care it deserves. A quick reminder, consistency matters. Using natural oils takes time and patience, but it can pay off. You won't see overnight miracles, but within 6 to 12 weeks, with regular application, your skin may appear brighter and more even. Pairing these oils with a broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day is essential to protect your skin from further sun damage and prevent new spots from forming. Sometimes skincare is more than just self-care, it's a way to reconnect with yourself. With these natural oils, you're not just chasing clearer skin, you're building a routine that feels good and supports your skin's health in the long run. These oils aren't just about fading age spots, they nourish and protect your skin too. Try them consistently and let nature work its magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural beauty. See you in the next one.